Things ain't right between us, not the way they used to be. A love that will last forever in a day, in a day. Sometimes a lot goes wrong, sometimes a heart can be right, sometimes a heart goes wrong. Just when you think you got it, sometimes a heart goes wrong, sometimes a heart can be right, sometimes a heart goes wrong. Just when you think you got it, I've been loving you.
Stay awake and I want you by my side. Stay awake and I want you by my side. Stay awake and I want you by my side. Stay awake and I want you by my side.
Pagka nabubor.
Ay.
Reverse na sometime.
Doon sa kong part yun.
It's the same leaving you.
Aba.
Before C.
Mark, kulang ba ng isang chorus pa sa uli? Ng isa pang repeat? Bali yung bagsakan, hindi pa natin i-count yun. Ewan ko lang.
Hindi, counted yun.
Accounted yun. Pwede bang hindi pa i-count yung bagsakan tapos repeat yung ano?
Kaya mag-repeat pa tayo.
Oo. Extra 15 seconds siguro.
Guys, ito ah.
O may dagdag kayo ah. Yung bagsakan. Sometimes our love goes wrong. Bang, bang. Sometimes our love people. Bang, bang. Sometimes our love goes wrong. Bang, da 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 da. Sometimes your love goes, sometimes your love goes. Dito pa lang, isa pa. Sometimes
ulitin po namin counterpoint.
sometimes your love goes wrong. Da 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 da. Sometimes your love goes, sometimes your love goes wrong. Isa pa. Hindi pa mag-e-end. Magiging 8.
Diba,
8 ka. Bali magiging 12.
Diba ano po, diba pagkatapos mo nung walang tugtog, diba ako yun?
Oo.
Diba 2 rounds, no? Tapos isa pa ulit.
Oo, isa pa. Basta hindi nyo pa ipapasok sa ending. Parang kulang eh. Ewan ko lang, Mark. Parang eh.
Kailangan talaga natin ad-libs. Ganda na, okay.
Bali, ito. Ay, sumubag sa akin.
So, paano yung bagsakan nito ah?